How about spending your winter mornings in such a location where you can have stunning views of the mountains, walkways with catchy gardens, hearing the birds chirp? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also click the bell button. Come, let's go to the vlog. Today we are going to Shees Park, which is located in Korfakan in the outskirts of Sharjah. It takes about 1 hour drive from Sharjah to reach here and 1.5 hours if you are coming from Dubai. If you start from Sharjah, then take the Al Daid road and then Sharjah Korfakan road. If you're coming from Dubai, then drive down the Emirates road, E611 in the direction of Sharjah and take the exit for Korfakan road. You will need to continue down in the Korfakan road for approximately 70 kilometers before you take the ramp towards the Shees area. It's a beautiful road. It's a scenic road on both the sides where you can see different terrains, and you would definitely enjoy this ride, whether it's going to be a solo ride or you're going with family. We stopped our car here just to take a look at this view. There are sand dunes here and there, and we stopped because we saw some camels walking around. Can you see that camel? With 3 camels walking around. I don't know what they are doing, whether they are grazing or just walking. So I'll show you a view from here how it is looking around. See the road. The road is clear, not much traffic. And this is a sandy terrain. We've reached the tunnel road. This is a long tunnel which you have to cross. So after crossing the tunnel, you will get a roundabout. Continue straight from the roundabout onto the Masafi road until you reach the Shees Park. We've entered the Shees Park. As of now, the entry is free. The park is spread across a massive area of 11,362 square meters, and there are also ample car parking spaces available. So here is a map of the Shees Park. They are telling that barbecues are allowed only in the designated places, cycling and pets are not allowed, and you can see some rules and guidelines to be followed in this park. No camping allowed, no shisha allowed, no dogs allowed, and all such things. So now one of the coolest features in this park is this artificial waterfall which is 25 meters high. You can see this waterfall. This comes down and this drains into a small artificial pond. As you take a stroll along the park, you can see these colorful flowers which are so attractive and catchy for your eyes. This park features 506 meters of mountain walkways which we can traverse through. There are totally 3 levels of mountain terraces leading to the main view deck on the top, from where you can enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding Hajar Mountains and the park surroundings. But each and every intermediate levels also offers you spectacular views of the park and the mountains nearby. We've descended down, and here you can see a lovely play area for the kids where they can have some fun. There are also many benches available for the adults to sit down, relax while your kids play, talk with the family, have the food which you have brought. Now we are coming towards the barbecue area. There are 8 designated barbecue places in this park, but on weekends, usually it will be crowded and you won't get any. You can try on the weekdays, you may get one or two if you have luck. This is a small cafeteria inside the park called Gerard, but you get very minimal items inside there. So now we are starting back to our home from the park. Viewers, keep connected with the channel for more such videos. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.